Hi, everyone. Thank you. I'm Jake, the CEO and co-founder of Finn.ai. It's great to be here with you all in Hong Kong today. Computing is defined by big, once-in-a-decade paradigm shifts. In the 80s, it was the start of the PC era. In the late 90s, everything moved online. And in 2008, Steve Jobs launched the App Store just 8 years ago. It was the start of this mobile-first world. So today, we're at the start of the next paradigm, moving from a mobile-first world to an AI-first world. My company, Finn.ai, is a virtual assistant or a bot powered by AI and built specifically for retail banks. It's available out of the box, it's 100% white label, and it sits on top of your existing bank infrastructure. So let's have a look at how it works. So like north of 1 billion people worldwide, I use Facebook Messenger a lot to chat to my friends. So this is also a convenient place for me to interact with my bank, seeing as I'm already here a lot. One of the good things about our platform is that we connect your bank to your customers wherever they are, be it in Facebook Messenger, or Line, or SMS, or iMessage, or new voice platforms like Amazon Echo, or Google Home. So everything I show you here is pulling information from my bank account, and everything I walk through will be in live public testing with Canadian bank ATB Financial by the end of the year, making us the first full-featured bank bot on Facebook Messenger. So let's start where most customers start, and I'll check my balance. All right, so I'm still solvent, which is good. I can see my latest transactions. If I see anything I don't recognize, I can instantly flag it as fraud, saving me a call into your call center. Now, in this case, everything looks fine, so I'll just back out of that. We can also execute transactions on behalf of customers, so it's a day-to-day banking assistant. So that includes paying friends, transferring money between accounts, or paying a bill. So let's try paying a bill. So this will pull up a list of my existing billers. Let's try paying down this Bell bill. So I enter in an amount. Tap confirm. And I put in a PIN here. And I should get a receipt. That PIN page is hosted by the bank, so they're in full control of security there and the data flow like they would be for any other website. So what you can see here is that there's still a lot of tapping and touching in this interface, and that's because modern instant messaging is a very GUI-rich environment, and we take full advantage of that. But some things are just easier done using natural language. For example, how much did I spend on food in the last month? Or how much did I spend on taxis in the last 6 months? So you can query your transaction history using natural language. And this is this simple PFM tool. There's also a smart alert system that's built on top of that. And this simple PFM tool is the foundation of a smarter budgeting and savings coach. One of the things that really grates me, and I'm sure a lot of you, is having to call in customer support. Like most people my age, I rarely use my phone for calling anymore. I use it for texting or messaging. So now your customers can message you, chat to you, the same way that, and in the same place that they chat to their friends. Those inbound customer queries are either handled directly by our bot. For example, how much does it cost to use an ATM in another country? Or let's try another one. How much will it cost me if I go into overdraft? So for some queries, our bot, our AI, has been, okay, so for some queries, our bot, our AI, has been built and can understand the query. And in this case, where it can't understand the query, we have the option to pass to a human. So here, the customer always gets their question answered, whether it's our bot answering the question or a human. And in this case, there's no human here as it's a demo, but where the human does jump in, we use those responses as training data so that our bot's getting smarter and smarter over time. So bots like Finn are the next evolution of banking. They're personal, they're conversational, they're smart, and most importantly, they're available where your customers already are. If you'd like to learn more about how this can work for your bank, come and see me afterwards. Thank you very much.